YouTube. So we are here at the gas station. I'm about to fill up on gas real quick. I'm about to show y'all how you could get like 300 plus miles on your Dodge Charger RT, your Scat Pack. The way to do it. So right now, as you can see, on my way to the gas station, I did reset my gas mileage. It did get to, what's that, 26.3 miles per gallon. I'm about to fill up. I told y'all where to go, wherever they got the Shell gas pumps at. That's where you want to go to get your gas. All right, so I'm finna go in here, pay for the gas, or I'm really finna just do it at the pump, but you gonna see what it's at as soon as I get back. Yeah, man, so we out, man. All they machines was tripping, bro. They card readers at the pumps, they was not working, man, so I'm not gonna be able to get the gas for y'all. So I mean, y'all, that video is really just, it's just gonna have to wait for another day, but y'all got this though. But I mean, you can see we already back down to like 21, 22. Really, bro, just don't drive it hard and like, don't drive it hard. Get your gas at the right places. Gas is gonna be straight. But while we was in there, man, I seen some of these right here. Goddamn zebra cake donuts, boy. They not even. They really don't hit like that. I was just really more so just got them just to try them out. Wasn't like a huge fan of them. Probably won't get them again. I only ate 2. I might throw them away when I get home. But got some Gatorade, whatever. But Shell gas station though, bro. Shell gas station. But y'all comment down below what y'all getting into today. What type of videos y'all want to see coming up this week. You already know I'm gonna bring y'all exactly what y'all want to see. If you didn't see my last video, go check that out. I was just cruising like 15 minutes. Country back roads, you know. But yeah, we out here, man. We getting active today. Getting active today, man. But nah, man. One thing about having a Dodge Charger RT, people always gonna think it's like a Hellcat or something like that. Like the other day, man, as soon as I hopped out this mud, people talking about, damn, is that a Hellcat? You drive a Hellcat? Nah, bro, not a Hellcat. It's that RT joint, that Dodge Charger RT. Got a decent little deal on it. Hellcats, they going for like 80K. I got my car here for 35K, so pretty respectable deal if you ask me. But yeah, you ain't gotta bust the bank. And I know a lot of younger folks, man. I know a lot of younger folks want to get this car, but younger folks, y'all gotta understand, like, with great power comes great responsibility. And once you get behind the wheel of an RT, bro, you got to be careful. Cause I was watching a video yesterday, or a little video popped up, pretty much showed you how fast you could lose control of a Hellcat. And I mean, as you can see, we got clear skies. It's pretty damn sunny today, but driving these bigger, like heavier cars in the rain, especially if your tire is not the best, you got to be careful, bro, because you always run the risk of hydroplaning. And for those of y'all that don't know what hydroplaning is, it's pretty much like you driving your car, you hit a puddle of water. It's like skipping a rock. Instead of skipping a rock, you're skipping your car across a puddle of water. So you telling me at that time, you pretty much lose control of your car. Your wheels have no traction. They can end fatally. Could definitely be a catastrophe. You do not want to hydroplane your car. My Toyota Camry, the hybrid, I have hydroplaned a few times in that car. Was there anything crucial? Was I going at a high speed? No, I wasn't, because whenever it is raining, especially heavy rain, you are not supposed to be going fast. Like me going, let's say this, for instance, right here, this road here, it's pretty straight. The speed limit is 60 miles per hour. If it was heavy rain, bro, I probably wouldn't be, or I mean, I definitely wouldn't be going 60 miles per hour. I'd probably be going like 40, 45 miles per hour. Because if you hydroplane going at a fast speed, again, you pretty much lose control of your vehicle. You You don't want to lose control of your vehicle, I'm telling you. Because, like, I could be over here on the right side, boom, hydroplane, slide all the way over there to the left to the incoming traffic. That is not the situation you want to be in, so that's one thing younger folks do have to watch out for, because, like, motherfuckers' brains don't be fully developed. They be making irrational, quick decisions. Like the dude in the video, like, you seen the water puddle, like, from a mile away. And bro still on the accelerator. Boom, he hit it. As soon as he hit it, hydroplane. But I love driving the RT, bro. Love driving the RT. It's a great driving experience. The ultimate driving experience. What is he talking about? But yeah. I had to bring y'all this quick video here today. We trying to keep the streak going, uploading every day. But y'all comment down below. What is y'all trying to see? Like, oh, y'all gotta let me know what y'all trying to see. But yeah, I got some new wheels and tires coming soon. Real soon. As soon as I get one of my credit cards paid off, wheels and tires coming soon. Y'all definitely gonna see that. With that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. It's been real. It's your boy Brandman17. Gone.